Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And are you ready to start earning through affiliate marketing? Because here, Instagram is one of the most powerful platforms to promote products. So, grow your audience and generate passive income. So, in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through this process of creating a professional Instagram page specifically for affiliate marketing. So, either you're a complete beginner or looking to optimize your existing account, this guide has got you covered. So, here we'll cover setting up your Instagram page, optimizing your profile for maximum impact, and creating content that drives affiliate sales. So, tips for growing your audience organically. And of course, let's get started and turn your Instagram into a money making machine. First things first is if you don't already have an Instagram installed, download the app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then and you can also log in through the website, guys. So use an email address or phone number to create an account. Choose a username that reflects your niche or brand. For example, if you're promoting furniture, you can use, for example, in this video. And then set a strong password, guys. And of course, to take advantage of analytics and promotional tools, switch to a professional account. As you can see here, it is now a professional account. So what you need to do here is you just need to go to your profile and tap the three lines in the top right corner, select settings, then tap account. Scroll down and choose switch to professional account, and here you can select your category, a blogger, personal brand, or a business. You can also choose creator or business and complete the setup. So this will give you access to insights, contact buttons, and other tools essential for affiliate marketing success. So here your Instagram bio is your first impression, so make it count. So you can also change your photo here. So in your bio, guys, you can add a clear, engaging profile picture such as your logo or as professional headshot. And as you can see here on my link, so you need to have another link here. So using Linktree, this website allows you to share multiple affiliate links in one place, making it easier for your audience to access your recommendations. So you can see here, and what you need to do here is content is king on Instagram. So focus on creating engaging, value-driven posts that subtly promote your affiliate products. So remember, always focus on solving a problem for your audience. For instance, if you're promoting skincare product, share tips on achieving glowing skin. So here guys, I'll teach you on how to transfer your affiliate on your Linktree. So here you just need to find a product here. So after that one is you just need to copy the link and paste it on your Linktree for you to add it. And you can also add a title here. So this one, you just need to copy that one and then paste it on your Linktree website. So this Linktree, guys, is very important. Why? Because this will allow you to share multiple affiliate links in one place. So this will make you easier to access by the customer. So here we will add it in the Amazon page. So here you can add a title here. So add a title here. So this is the one that we copied a while ago, and then we need to add this one and this side where it will be part on the layout of the Amazon finds. So as you can see here, there are some products that I copied on the Amazon. So here, I'm gonna add this one here. So make sure, guys, that it will be added on the other layout. So here you can see here the Amazon 5, and there are 5 links. So what you need to do here next is you need to look for this one. So going back here, you'll be able to see that one. And here, what you need to do here is you just need to copy your Linktree URL and then paste it on your bio, or of course attach it on your website. So editing your link is only available on mobile, guys. So visit the Instagram app and edit your profile to change the website in your bio. So of course guys, as you can see here, in my bio, sharing affordable and stylish furniture finds for every home. So of course, you need to add a call to action or CTA like shop the best details, or as you can see here, shop the best deals below, or check the link here. To include your affiliate link using tools like Linktree or a single product link to start. So that's it guys, and right after that one is, remember, always focus on solving a problem for your audience. For instance, if you're promoting skincare products, share tips on achieving glowing skin. So after that one guys, to build a loyal audience and grow your reach, post consistently. You need to aim for 3 to 5 posts per week, and of course use niche specific hashtags like this one. Need to add a hashtag in your bio guys. So in order for you to engage with your audience, you need to respond them to the comment section or the direct messages. Collaborate with influencers or brands in your niche to expand your reach. Leverage Instagram's ads. And for targeted exposure here. And building an audience takes time, but consistent effort and engagement will pay off. And use Instagram built-in analytics to monitor your performance. So track engagement metrics like the likes, comments, and share. And of course, check reach and impressions to understand how many people view your content here. And focus on link clicks. This is key for affiliate marketing success. Use this data to refine your content strategy. For example, if Reels perform better than the carousel post, focus more on creating short videos. Affiliate marketing must follow Instagram guidelines, guys. Of course, disclose affiliate relationship clearly, add hashtag like hashtag ad or hashtag affiliate to your post, and of course, avoid spammy behavior such as excessive product tagging or irrelevant comments. And ensure that your affiliate links are valid and secure. And transparency builds trust with your audience and keep you compliant with the platform's rules. And that's how you can create a professional Instagram page for affiliate marketing by setting up your accounts strategically, optimizing your bio, creating engaging content, and building a loyal audience. You're on your way to generating income through affiliate programs. If you find this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more tips on making money online. And if you have any questions, don't be shy to drop them in the comment section because I'm always here to help and answer your tutorial. Start smart, earn more, subscribe for more tutorials.